Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we'll be making a very healthy Thai recipe, that's Thai peanut salad. This is very simple and it tastes absolutely delicious and it hardly takes any time. I've used 2 cups of shredded cabbage, you can use white or purple. Bell peppers red and yellow, I've used about half a cup. 3/4 cup of cucumber. Half a cup spring onions finely chopped. And peanuts roasted, I've used about half a cup. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Vinegar 1 teaspoon, it's optional. You can use 1 tablespoon lime juice instead. Sugar, this is optional, 1/8 teaspoon, or you can use a sugar replacement. Ginger and garlic half teaspoon each. Salt about 1/8 teaspoon and pepper about half a teaspoon. Red chili flakes half a teaspoon. Peanut butter 2 tablespoons. And oil for the dressing, sesame seed or olive oil. You can use about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Let's add all these vegetables to a bowl. These colorful vegetables add the color and they make the salad really very attractive. And at the same time it's really delicious and nutritious as well. Add in the roasted peanuts to this adds to the crunch. Now for the salad dressing we'll add the oil. You can add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. You can use either olive oil or sesame seed oil. Sugar is optional. Adding the ginger and the garlic adds to the taste. It gives a really refreshing taste to the salad, and of course it has its very own health benefits. Salt and pepper added to your taste, and soy sauce also contains some salt, so please keep that in mind. Red chili flakes, again you can add it to your taste. Vinegar, like I said, you can replace it with lime juice. That also makes the salad really very refreshing. And the peanut butter, I've used the creamy peanut butter. You can use the crunchy if you like. This dressing is gets a bit thick, so if you find that it's difficult to whip, you can either add in some more oil to it or you can add water and get it to the required consistency. The really delicious and tasty peanut butter dressing is ready, and we are going to pour this over the veggies. This is as simple as that. It's really very simple to make this salad, and at the same time it's really very healthy and delicious as well. For a variation, you can also add in some grilled chicken to this. You can either just have it as a veggie salad or you can also add in some grilled chicken to this. It tastes absolutely delicious and the salad is ready to serve. Please do try this and enjoy this recipe with your family, and don't forget to leave in your comments and let me know if you like this.